Lawyer Samson Lardi Ayenini, a host of News File, or say Appiah Kubi amwa Wontumi. Or say kind petition no judgment ni ye pa. Appiah Kubi nema Wontumi ko jail. Or so a great disservice to Wontumi. We're breaking it down. Now I know me who comment ni bi. A man for say Justice Audrey Kokuvite. Ninu ba ware kenashigbe enunti ni ajeli Wontumi ni ade. I'll give you the fact on the channel. And you see, channel we don't care about how you tag us. Fact are fact. And we went behind the veil to give you the fact and get all the necessary information for you. To acquire arguments in Facebook and what may ye. To more information I put there in your Facebook. But Samson video no 30 minutes. On a comment together. Samson Lardi Ayenini there's a problem. Very interesting. My mema kamedie menye lawyer ni mabo Samu attach ya diama wakasa. Mabo Appiah Kubi diama wakasa. Mabo Deputy Attorney General ama wakasa. Makan Justice Audrey Kokuvite in the 58-page ruling also the amount. And in a neutral voice so that you also get understanding of the matters. The entire will blame Appiah Kubi no. Maybe I'll start with that. May analysis now. The entire medwen say I had the be American. Yes, because on common why this is here Sabio and Tosum. Best subscriber, my most subscriber no click on notification the video be to ma. Obehu na what my shibu you will certainly have a comment. Feel free leave that comment in the comment section. You are mesho so be Goldberry construction limited other episodes in Masas and Kratasam the documentations related to your house in Goldberry in the bedi jumani na Ediama or Brempomba or addition later the should later the JJ Coco Pombo Besho ne BBI kama diama. You see that Audrey Kokuvite 6 years ago na President Kufuor Boni on the 17th of September 2020. Ti asem ye. President Kufuor na sworn in. Into 16 justices obomudi ko high court ada no. Share number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9th person no. Her leadership Justice Audrey Kokuvite. Now 6 years ago no that's no. So that's the number one fact. Now, Ebra Kenashigwe media coalition for against galamsey. Any CSOs, Martin Pebumone, other people occupy Ghana court. It was 2 years after the lady, 2-3 years after the lady was taken to the High Court. Now, the day to occupy Ghana troll letter, Ekoma Samu Abujinapo, after Samu Abujinapo publicly said what Wontumi did in Tanomrim was illegal. No, was September 2022. Now, in fact, they referenced the letter on the 28th September 2022. To make us say, Wontumi Assembly started MPP. Maintain these are facts, incontrovertible. So even before the Kokuvite will come to the High Court, Wontumi didn't have a case. Even before the petition going to President Kufuor and Co, Audrey Kokuvite was not appointed to the High Court to deal with that matter. Ono kosumne that. Anasem na travel for 7 years no need asem no asem no so awodi no Samreboi case which is not the Tanomrim case, distinctively different. There's no material link anywhere enye kenashigbe na prosecute Wontumi nivi no so onya yaka Wontumi nya maximum 25 years. You may disagree with them, but these elements no a dilute komono. Having said that and having proven it, lawyer Samson Lardi Ayenini, I don't have any comment on it. I'll leave you to your own verdict. And I think that this may be my last video on this particular ruling. TB.
So you bit me either way, I was saying you win a dance here, a course, so I will call to them. The court to them, you see the name of the game is evidence. A dance here, Bain, Emma, the DP at Semono, dance here, Bain, the judge, it's not so. At the Ibua at Semono. And no, na minumi, you win, send a chair, you bet me at Sayajin, Sabi, and Yatem, Trini, and answer. Nti we nye nimnite kesa eye aban edi ebaye no eye kesa mmienu ene mapo baako nipa mmienu no ene Bernadette Boisiako aye na enim say e Chairman Wontumi ene owre bi so e no Kwame Entwi omo mmienu no Kwame Entwi ene Bernadette Boisiako omo mmienu no ema omo hyehyɛ edumakuo a e no Akonta Mining Company Limited.
Okay,
nti chechumu a yenya efri ne course dem ho no ene adanse course no se ba nipa mienu wei ene edumakuo a yede omko gina atenibia de kwadu bi bo mo kwadu nsia ene de bo kwadu nsia no o twa no tofa ne obeka ne se kwadu a no count 1, 2 and 3 ni na fa emra ba ko a yese omo ebusu eno ne assignment of mineral rights without approval se be minimum tuwe se o hayo obi dan a o de dan no mawa na edu pepe so bi na pese obetuna dan no mu ana say bi adan no mienu na wachi na pese de ba kuma obi fufura emra no say untimi emfa ma obi fufuro abra wankasa no one efiura enyan kita hudie sa pepe because we say ya asase nti say ye de mawa exclusively nti aban say kwadu miensa no count 1, 2 and 3 assignment of mineral rights without approval contrary to section 14(1) and 99(2)(b) of the Minerals and Mining Act. Say ena kwedua etosumi no so eye me say ni etosumi because it make my body na tofa nti miensa ana maka assigning mineral rights without approval ena miensa aka no eye count 4, 5 and 6 count 4, 5 and 6 no ukabo mu a ni miensa ni na so fa eye section 99(2)(b) almost purposely facilitating unlicensed mining operation contrary to section 99(2)(b). Enti sa kwadu insia we a first 3 efa 1 emra ho ena second 3 no so efa emra ba ho say na adanse court no ko siye eno na yempe ehia ye hu eno a ebeboa kese nti ne dikan eye Akonta Mining edumakuo no Ntwubu Asiako ene Kwame Entwi ene ye omo amodwuma ena 2021 July mu ho baabi omunya
wana mami musa question we sa Kwame Entwi no a yesi is at large no through the trial no yantene what about yantene identity ebi no say ene ebe Chairman Wontumi no ana o say that sa true obi din say wo aye ono a say ono ane Kwame Entwi no bibi sa te say
eno de so the minimum you ntimi nka ho asem try because I will say you dey no kra no etu bebia eda no kra ye nimu ni say ene nye opie wo port dem ho o say oni sa nipa no eno mo hyehyɛ Akonta Mining omu mienu dia ene ebisa say nti Kwame Entwi owo hefa eno so 2021 ni 2022 mu ho no ena oni ni di nkomo say obetu tukwan free sabre no ohun no biom enti ohun no biom ni akoti no ena court no so ya amfre ni pan so omra court because ye nim be dia be hu nti na o say ohun a ya show at large because no nyi ho nti court no ye di asem no free achase ko ye ni na odi obi but o sha de na e ko wie etire no adanse no kyerɛ sɛ o say nipa we woni no na hye company na emodia ye bisa say nipa no wo hin so o say 2021 2022 mu ho ba bi no o ka so obetu kwan na the fees are there no wu na so to say okay 2021 so na ye de mineral license no asaso no ma wo na abra udi koye ejuma ye say ebo emra no na 2024 tablet no na chese sa nipa no oni ejuma no bi nti eyewu ena oni company no mako di mo bone nti ta na edi asem na ko na wie nti ni edi kan no ne se be na me de se u high dan a se ni edi kan asem no nti wo hwe ayi krata na ye de asase no ma no se onye akontama ni omunye efe ejuma na krata na nkasa list exhibit G ya tro mu se asase a ye de ama wi ye de ama nkwa ni kwan se wo ma third party bi ebafo na obedi juma bi abra unya eye minister ne permission eti eno no na eda ho finchen se emra no se section 14:1 no se ye de mawa eni kwan se wo so de ma obi foforo abra unyi aban asetre na wonji aban pene enti ye ho no eno ta list no eda ho pepe eye akontama ni nkwa na edi ama no eni kwan se nipa foforo bi ba asase no so ene se na enso ye hu nipa foforo wa asase no so sa nipa foforo yi o se wo ena oni no call agreement ye ke no Henry Nkum o se wo ena oni no nya nkita hodie ena o ma na asase no se o mbe ye adwuma wo so uyi wa no sen ena o se ai no kre me ena me de asase no e share ni nsem nanso me de share ni nsem se akonta mining ye di asase no ya ye mining e wo so efi 2001 abeti 2024 enti mining na ya ye wo so no asase no ntokuro bi ne amana bi mu a ye wo asibi se wo se de ye fa ye ne fe no reclamation ye kata amana ni na so kama nema ye duedua na asase no e fa ye se ne na etie ansana ye ba ho no because ho no a forest. Intimidate Henry Nkum nsem say dwumadie we na mpese wo di mame. Ene ebisa Henry Nkum so say asema Wontumi ka na eye no kre. Ana o say an eye no kre. O de ma me say be kakra bi aka a gold wo so. Min tu sa gold no. Na mi tu sa gold na ehu sika no. Me mfa nye reclamation no. Na mi ndua kubi e wo so. And they say, Obi also demand nipa to onye reclamation. Nipa no also say, o demand say, on to gold. Na onfa emusika ni bi, enfa nye reclamation. Inti ye hono, sabi, enye court bi na ebo ni slem, enye obi, ena aka asema to obi so. Eye afenunu, ena mwadi atu nse, mene ye nshiseye a ye ni say, asase no, ye de ima mena ma ye adwuma bi. Eno na mra no ebisa question say inti wudi ma Henry no ukodi krata e wose wudi ansa na odi ama Henry ana eno ebisa Wontumi o de bi ya nye krata bia nkwa aban wose ekodi permission ena minerals commission for so omo mpanyifo no baako ebedi adanse any visa enti omo ya application bi brem ana e no so the application ya aba na court say okay nipa na nko so ya application no ankasa say omo anye application ya nti no de akosi ho enti so sha bibi aka akosi ye de asase ama emra no tire say ye de mawa ni kwa say wo ma nipa foforo eba so ebe di djuma wo so wo de se bi obi nsem abra onye aban pene what to enum aka so de ma obi nipa no so aka aka for so ampa wo de man wa dia tumi so de man na mmom bibia yedu no ne wo se de ka asem no ni say wo se wo de man no say onye reclamation ondua kube on katakata amana no ondua kube and ono so say eye nkre but oka say mintu gold e wo bibia yenya ntu gold na me mfa ehu sika no efe ndia dia yi no katakata amana na mindia kube no and ebisa say enti Usha a course examination na yetutu Henry anono. Ye omukochi Henry ni nipa bi ana wo a mining site ho. Concession where your friend Michael Jedu AC. On the 17th of April 2025. And omuya anti galamsey operation. And omukochi ono any nejuma for 28. Omochi womono na excavators 25 eye adwuma so ka ho no moje excavators 4 na eno no entry nye adwuma na sa edita no na eno so omoji free omonsem pump action gun eye tu be ye enwotwe omoji free omho na one single barrel gun na itu abuba so be 310 na afi you say that they be a muhu ya na ayese good and also na ye be enum a she crash bim ama rubber bim and also moje and moje motorcycle be a 9 and a car mienu pumping water pumping machine and a grease gun and a 4 machete and a 50 car na ye 175,000 and a modifi omunse and a mon cafe Henry no church mu say 157,000 and a Henry no church mu say ayi Wontumi de asase no ma no o hye no bo say obema no efidi no de aboa no no aye adwuma but wa manu wa nyesa de we ni bo hye na ade no so ya wo ye reclamation ne board din sika kese pa na wo so wodi enti onu okọ obi ho kuma se sa nipa no ho na Wontumi eto ne excavators ne amanyama machines a odi adwuma okọ ho no ye ka se ye ni Wontumi ankasa ye mfa ma e na nipa no ne Wontumi kasa ye na Wontumi share no so mo mfa ma no e na oji ye no de kọ adwuma no so e na o ka se sa niama na odi kọ adwuma no so no na odi 2 gold na Wontumi so nim se odi 2 gold na enye no kre se or the man say sebe o ontie so keke abra won to gold and court ni bi say asem no kwan bi so no entrasu mu wo so di amane say ono de onye de on kata so on kata amna so no ndi akubi inti
ayi makazo pia mu so si se kube no kura se mfa so wo mu no esi gold no kura o
yeka the court no adwi mu no enye no kresa and e bisa say nti nipa ben pa na sebe na adwi mu da ho a obi be kwa kotu no gold asase kraka so obi be kwa kotu no gold na wo de wa ba say ye 2 gold na wie no wadi asase no say wo de wo be kata amena so na wo dua kube abra wo no ye mo sika se wo de be ye saade ene bisa Wontumi se nti wo se sa adwuma no na wo de ma no nti wo ma ne sika se won fanye bi ene bisa Henry na Henry se wa ma mi sika mia na mi 2 gold no bi na me ho sika na me de ye ho adwuma ene bisa se nti ukodi krata e wa ban ho ansa na wo ma no e betina ta se o 2 gold na so o ye so adwuma and also man ko dikrata na info mi de nyem ni se nye gold na obi nti asem no bi e ko tie no na fe etwa se judge no ebe ebebisa sɛ why na asɛm a wɔka no class mu ɛne afiri nkurɔfoɔ ɔmo nyinaa yɛ totototo nkurɔfoɔ ano ɛna ɔkeka nsɛm no nyinaa fii n'ani ɛne ɛsɛ ne edi kan asase no na nni kwan sɛ ɔma obi foforɔ ba so abere a wɔnyɛ krataa ɛno no wankasa wagye atom nti ɔhɔ deɛ yaagye no ɔmmerɛ sɛ ɔkɔpɛ adanseɛ ɛde ebu afɔ yɛde ma wo sɛ wo nko a akontaman ne nko a ɛno wabu so mmienu nea aka no ɛne sɛ nipa no a wɔsɛ wode maa no no ɛyɛ reclamation anaasɛ yɛ gold ɛno na ɛwɔ sɛ ɛhwehwɛ mu ɛno mu no ɛna gyaagye no hwehwɛ mu na ɔka sɛ dɛ wohwɛ asɛm no sɛnea ɛteɛ no a ɛntoa so mu nti ɔkeka ɔmo nsɛm nyinaa bobɔbɔ ɔmo bɛdi adanseɛ nyinaa ɔkeka nyinaa bɔ mu na ɔka sɛ dɛ adeɛ wei deɛ nea akɔyɛ no ayɛ sɛ ɛyɛ gold ɛna ɔde maa no so wɔ na nipa no sɛnea ɔkae no sika no emu bi no ɛna ɔmfa anyɛ reclamation nti wɔbu mmara no ɛno ɛna ɛma a wɔntumi ɛho kɔkyerɛ no na ɔyɛ aka sɛ sɛbi nkitaho a mokɔɔyɛ no so no na krataa ɛnni mu nti krataa biara na ho no deɛ wontumi ɛmmua no fɔ because nka krataa da ho a ɛna wobɛhu sɛ mekaa sɛ ɛyɛ reclamation nko a na gold mining ɛnka ho ɛna ɛsɛ ɛno so no yɛdane saa asɛm no a yɛtumi ho nokora ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ nka krataa so wɔ hɔ a ebia nka ebi ho sɛ ɛyɛ mining any reclamation but krataa ɛni ho no ɛna akɔbɛsei no yɛhu nneɛma a akɔ so wɔ hɔ nyinaa excavators bebree a ɛwɔ so nipa bɛyɛ 28 a ɔmo ka Michael ho ɛyɛ adwuma wɔ asase no so yɛhu bibiaa yɛtumi edi adanseɛ sɛ sɛbi neɛ ɛyi Mr. Inkum a wodi asase no maa no no neɛ ɔno ka no ɛna ɛtɔ aso mu nti ɛno so yɛgyina so ɛna yɛde ɛno so ebu ano fo
ayi amanfoɔ bebree akasa ɛde afa ho sɛ section 99 of the Minerals and Mining Act no ano hye na Chairman Wontumi die ma ye no obi afi say all is well by ye sa act 995 by ye eno mo say ebra so say bi etimi ye hu bibi because or say a person who without a license granted by the minister undertakes a mining operation contrary to a provision of this act, B, acts, instigates, command, counsels, procures, solicits, in any manner purposely aids, facilitates, encourages, or promotes any act in contravention of this provision of this act, in respect of which a penalty has not been specified or contracts. Okay, what was it? I know they do. Bia you are Samson when you are assassin crowd you not acquire through lawful means. Now I'm maintain bia me ma works me do kwa ko penny bi na watimi aboa okra maniska Samson dey madam for anu won say abua so see etimi samra nu bia na me a me bia ni mo kra cancel wo e wo sa ne ma no ho na ma procure dia ma wo no ma minimum mra no nkofo giense se one year say
kopin say e be samra no ne etie tia no pa na etie eye Henry Inkum o kan say ono oye small scale mining e ho adwuma no ono oye waye say adwuma na ache na okohun Samreboi boy honom emu ta asase bi da ho na no petu mu se sebe da ho a o wa akwanya se obetimi akodi ehun nkrata wo Minerals Commission no aye adwuma na se ekwan na ho eno ko ye no ko Minerals Commission ekobisai no mo se one mountain 2021 any a man a year Wontumi into Ubo Osha why yes we do market here and a cacre be na cano and also a cat na satin into a cat are train no and on no cat as a fan at Chedi I mean Wontumi no car shen chukwa and on coach share Wontumi and only Wontumi yes she share hono fair what the amano fair to go there a was no nya cano na onfa a music can be and find your reclamation and what they say Sebi and Brano son of Macano where is so one Casawa jet to Muta Udima will be a bra one quanko jet crata a mouth kinds of the mouth or see Henry want to make us a Henry will be a near friend of mining support services. Mining support services no reclamation can be a Henry so Bibisano or no one knew some of what church on also say there be and yes, I do man maybe a small scale miner. It's really a good money too. And maybe said okay, also a year mining support services. Mining support services reclamation and Mrano Esha and Musa so we say Jumana or so registration be and our license be. Inti Henry was our license to be. Henry needs our license no. Henry in person assemble to Nunti or say Macase sad at the end Mejuma. Inti Wontumi Case may yes Jumana bra mean who crata. Wontumi na say Mr. Jumano and or demand. And I may say a mining and wage Jumana na me but Minyahu Tika Akra Binamida yet near what said me. Into your no crown of no, not quite this no. Sam Ranoso, Yanfa Yejuma. Enti, the Wusha, Ukra judgment now. Let us Ube call a page 28, 29.
Page 28 and 29.
Page 28 and 29. Yebisa Henry Assembly. Yebisa na say. Ofa crime bench so and or the year start reclamation now or 2 years. Into Besha page 29.
Page 29 I make but page 29 maybe.
Into page 28. Who page 28 share second paragraph or see in paragraph 6 of his witness statement. PW2 stated further that quote, I funded the reclamation work using proceeds for my mining operations on the concession. And A1 here, Chairman Wontumi.
Or the contradicting who how?
Baby.
Okay, Matthias here.
Ono kani Wontumi na le ka se me man reclamation eduma nko. And ono momo ka se there be the mammy said me too a good deal so now me yes can be a young man be near them and find your reclamation. If you have not say I funded the online class out through the court no or say I funded the reclamation work using
no man didn't come and just be like us
yo.
In paragraph 6 of his witness statement, PW2 stated further, I funded the reclamation works using proceeds from my mining operations on the concession, and A1 was fully aware of this fact.
Good. A1 here, Chairman Wontumi.
Huh?
And a PW2, Henry Inkumna, Onino, no.
Huh?
If I tell Emanisi wa Kanye Swafu Nation, Assembly a course.
PW2 was not cross-examined on this critical piece of evidence.
If I told Ginaho, or say Henry Inkum, or can't say, a dear old yin. Thank you, what say a total manu. Not some more kind, you see me a discredit. What to say? PW2 was not cross-examined on this critical piece of evidence.
Now somewhere here pa say no yan cross-examine wo musana no entotunano.
Exactly. Inti court so there obi kan sem na wan to na no wo ho a ye fa no say what dia tum inti aha no enke wo say ejibo esi akoni lawyer ni aye Appiah Kubi wo so ototo na no judge ni say wa anya sa ade no pato kan ni eto aso na hwa ade.
Neither did the first accused put before this court any evidence to show that he had advanced money to PW2 to fund the reclamation.
Thus, PW2
has maintained throughout the trial that the first accused had permitted him to do two things in the concession, namely to mine for gold and then use a part of the process to reclaim the damaged land. In fact, during cross-examination, when PW2 repeated his claim, counsel for the first accused and the third accused did nothing about it. This is what happened. Nature was repeating someone or cross-examination. One to me, Musabibia.
Opi we repeat. Case no mu free and traffic on the Henry Inkum, if you ojina. And so, a year lawyer near ojina homa, Chairman Wontumi ne company no. One to two, did nothing. One yaho she. Was you
able to extract some gold in your operations?
Okay.
Accused person was saying, yes, of course. That was my aim of going there. Now just one call to gold.
But I can't question me no be bisa.
And when your staff were arrested from the site, they took away some amount of gold. Is that correct? Yes, my lady. And this gold was not from illegal miners, but from your operations. Yes, my lady.
Good. Oh, a hono. O can't say ni na we. And I say, we share a next paragraph now. Next paragraph, the very last sentence in the next paragraph. The very last sentence in the next paragraph.
I'll say one to do that. Last sentence.
PW2 has expressly, emphatically, and consistently refuted the claim that he ever agreed to it. Only Chairman Wontumi a plan is on your reclamation. And yet, no one no cut off. He has expressly, emphatically, and consistently refuted the claim that he ever agreed to it. Having rejected the allegation, the burden rests on Chairman Wontumi to lead evidence on the probabilities to show that Henry had agreed to the alleged arrangement.
No such evidence was, however, led in this case. There be in contention, they say. Was it the man cancer ongoing reclamation granted says sanity? Was it there? And you know, because two gold and now Messiah reclamation. Sikakwana one discover your site one na media. She's kind of feeling a gold, me feeling illegal miners. Was it there? And your operations and quiet and a minya says a gold.
And as in we were and so the man to me alpha adansi bia ma itimi exercise as and on the lawyer needs to go to Henry Anono ono so wanye hwe that no mo kan enti we put this bobo judge no man ye
there be we all do this bobo all do ye sister
enti o say bisa me no na no ye no e wo case na mo.
Yes, so that's the lawyer's view. I have also shared my view, and I don't want you to make any other thing on it. So I'll leave the views to you and the analysis to you. What do you make of what he said? He is a lawyer, at least I'm not. I don't even qualify to lazy shoe. He's a lawyer, vastly experienced. I'm not. So this is a lawyer's view. This is an independent view. This is a view I usually to think that maybe it will inform you if you don't know much about the case, you don't know much about the semantics, the law, even if you don't read the ruling. I think this would be a good reference point for you. That's my suggestion for you. If you also think that you have a comment, why not leave in the comment section? We are no subscribe, no subscribe, no click the notification with the video. We are to be who knows my show. So be sure to see you, dear mammy, me here, Ghana, and sweet here. Bye bye.